It could be that.
Oh, that's true too.
It's a gamble. Okay.
Yeah, I can get up there.
Really?
Yes.
This is deviant behavior.
Hold on tight.
He looks so unathletic.
Yeah, this isn't looking good.
Come on, dude, you're almost there. I never thought we'd be doing this today. You want one of us to grab it? I say one of us. Matt's the one with hands.
Well, let me just.
Kind of, you want the taller guy to do it.
I probably should
Yes.
have done
Let me do it.
Yeah.
If it falls on you, I don't know how we're going to take care of that.
that. No one was hopes out until I started doing some dumb shit.
Yeah, you know, as soon as you started doing that, all the employees came over here.
So let's go ahead and slide this in. This should be very easy. Should be very easy. Oh, you push it up and then should be very easy. Oh yeah.
So you're gonna like bust through the.
Should be very easy. Am I missing something here? Let me have the
I
expert.
think you got it
come
right
here.
the first time. I think you just gotta make sure you're all the way down, just like that. There you
It
go.
was very easy. McAllister, it was very easy. Leave that all in there.
Really budget monitor, and the fact that it's 27-inch, which is my preferred size. That's not so gay.
I prefer that size.
Uh.
Hands. 7. I am on 0.5, aren't I?
Yeah.
We're going shopping today.
Mom, put me shopping.
Yeah. I wish I had a cigarette in my hand instead.
Cigarette would be cooler.
A little black and mild.
I like driving. Let's go to Best Buy. Yay, Best Buy.
Side eye.
So make sure that you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other 2 YouTube channels, and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And don't forget to like, comment, and what am I doing?
I don't know.
Where was I at? .tv/ToastyBros, and have a good day
See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Have a great day.
of learning. Okay, we can hear you clapping, Jonah. We knew you did the shake.
What?
I'm debating.
You say the same thing
I'm
every
debating.
time. You might as well just go ahead and go for it.
Wow.
We just got. How do I say we just got done benchmarking in a different way?
Phoenix was fun.
Well, I was thinking about saying
swear we already did
we
this.
just walked back from
Did
feet.
we not already do this?
We kind of did. We did when we unboxed it or whatever.
We didn't even unbox it.
No, we didn't unbox it. I swear we did this already.
We did not do this. We did the giveaway PC outro, but we didn't do that because this one I left and I had to leave early and Jackson did benchmarks on it.
Okay.
I swear, did we not say we're back from Phoenix now? We never did that.
That was for the laptop.
Oh,
When we unboxed the
that's what I'm
laptop.
thinking. Yeah. So that was a pretty fun trip to Micro Center. Of course, we had to game on this thing once we got back. So yeah, we haven't even said. So yeah, I could say we just, after walking back from Phoenix.
After
we
walking this
benchmarked it.
PC back from Phoenix, you saw the benchmarks.
So we just got done bench. I'm just kidding. On this Micro ATX PC, that's pretty good for shopping in person and getting to go with a pretty compact Micro ATX build.
Hold on, a micro ATX build.
What are you trying to get me to say
Just
something
move
different?
to Shively. I'm tired of you. Guys, this build is so compact in Micro ATX, and it'll be at PCBros.tech. Jonah said, do you guys take Guarna here? I don't have enough money. Do you want me to do this first? This was weird. Did you already do this part?
Well, we haven't even done the start of the outro yet. So.
Oh, that's true. Okay, I see.
You see the vision? Yeah.
So as always, we hope you...
This guy just trying to speed run to 3D Mark.
So that was a pretty fun trip to Micro Center. Of course, we had to game on this thing once we got back, and we knew it was going to do well. Pretty good for a laptop, like really good. That mean... No. And that's a...
Oh boy, we're cooked.
And that... Webcam, speakers, keyboard, mouse, all of the above. Shell. Yeah, I think it's already 75 in here.
Anywho, there's the link in the description down below. Shout again to Micro Center for sponsoring this. They just even go like this. All right, let me redo that. All right, here we go. All right, lock in. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna get a T-Rex roar apparently from Jonah. Are you ready?
Y'all ready? All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
I thought you were gonna play one.
This is a long webcam test.
I'll be your alarm clock this morning.
All right, now.
Wow.
I'm okay.
Wow. Joe's looking at his phone. This is
Oh
crazy.
God, you better start scrolling reels.